Hello everybody, how are you? I hope you are fine. I want to ask you a question. Do you want to visit the zoo from your home? Do you want? Okay, let's go. Today we will talk about the animals. Our lesson today is the animals. Now let's learn together the names of the animals and their sounds. We can classify the animals into farm animals and wild animals. In farm animals, we can see cat, dog, cow, horse, goat, frog, in farm we can also see the duck, the hen, the sheep, the horse, in jungle we can see wild animals. We can see monkey, elephant, snake, tiger, lion, we can also see zebra, we can see the camel, we see the panda, we see the donkey, Now we are finished our lesson. I hope you enjoyed and learned from our lesson today. Thank you for watching this video. See you soon. Goodbye.